If you have a house in Holland, Ohio, and you're looking to sell it fast, easily, and conveniently, this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perchin, and for over 14 years, I've been buying houses in and around Holland, Ohio. And myself and my team, the reason people like working with us is we're going to keep it very simple for you. So what that means is we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. This is important, truly as is. So you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything, you don't need to haul anything away and lift a finger or come out of pocket for repairs or anything like that. And we are a true cash buyer. So what that means is we're not like a traditional buyer who's driving around with a real estate agent and now they got to qualify for a mortgage, and hopefully when their mortgage gets the approval or the application gets processed, now they're going to send a formal appraisal through your house in Holland, and now they're going to formally inspect it, and hopefully the lender, their lender, doesn't want you to make repairs before they'll close. There are so many hoops to jump through when you're working with a traditional buyer, and that's why so many people in Holland, Ohio and around Holland, they prefer working with us. We're going to buy it in its as-is condition, we're going to pay cash, and that also means not only do we not need to rely on some mortgage company, bank, or lender, but we're able to close on your timeline. You're the boss. The ball is in your court. When you're working with a traditional buyer, the ball's in the lender's court, because when their lender is ready to give the money, that's when you could close, right? When you work with us, there's no lender involved, so we can close whenever you want to. Also, these traditional buyers, a lot of times they are represented by a real estate agent. You know what that means? Now you're paying commission. That is money out of your pocket. When you sell to us, we're a direct buyer. We love Holland, Ohio. There's no commissions, no fees. You don't need to lift a finger. We're going to close on your timeline. We're a true cash buyer. And yes, we buy the property in its as-is condition. So if you have a house in Holland and you want to get a fair offer, give us a call at 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's Columbus in the website name, but we're very active in the Toledo area, very active in Holland, all around the area, and we're actually statewide. We just can't get rid of that domain name. That website name is just too good, right? So if you have a house in Holland and you want to get a fair offer, pick up the phone and give us a call, 614-300-5151. And when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about your timeline and kind of what you're looking to do and when you're looking to sell. Some people want to move fast. If you want to move and sell quickly, beautiful. We'll make it happen quickly for you. If you need flexibility, we can provide that as well. Maybe you want to set a future date and a target date, or you need something else to happen, or there's a family member involved. We work with every situation. Inherited properties, divorce properties, we buy them all in their as-is condition. We work with people who are behind on their house payments. Regardless, whatever your situation is, it's typically just a bump in the road. We're going to help you get over any humps. We're not going to add any new hoops to jump through. We're going to keep it simple for you when you sell your house in Holland. So, our phone number, once again, is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perchin. I do look forward to speaking with you. And yes, I look forward to working with you.